Whoa, hey guys, today we got outside and I'm going to show you the new Realme Neo7 Tempo, and this is a special designed smartphone for Realme. As we can see, this time they provide a transparent back panel designed smartphone, and also the thickness of about this device is 8.59 mm and weight just 205 grams. And due to the transparent glass of the back panel, we cleanly see the back coils and screws. This really remind me another transparent phone brand, non-SIM, and also I think they got some inspiration from it. And also this is the front side. For screens, they use the 6.8-inch 1.5K 144Hz aperture screen, and they use a GDI Q10 material. And also the peak brightness reached to 3500 nits. And also it supported the PWM 4608 Hz. Also touch rate reached to maximum 260 Hz. For this straight screen, I think it's very nice for the gaming users. Now we can also go to the settings to check more information about the device. For the processor, they use the MediaTek Dimensity 9400E, and the core reached to 2.45 million scores according to the official site. But the officially spec is a bit high, especially for the Android score, and after we testing it, it also can reach to 2.15 million scores of this processor, because it is maximum support to 3.4 GHz octa-core processor. Here they provide the screen resolution and the refresh rate for you to choose, and also for the screen resolution you can choose UHD and HD. So yes, here is the refresh rate, 140 Hz. This is especially for the gaming devices, they will choose the 144 Hz. And for the brightness, as I mentioned, 6500 nits for some special part, and the peak brightness and the total brightness is just 1800 nits. And for the thickness, 8.59 mm phone, provide a big battery, 7200 mAh. And also here's the camera testing. And for the camera part, it's supposed to make 50 megapixel main camera, IMX882 Sony sensor, and also support OIS, and the second 8 megapixel wide angle, and front 60 megapixel. And also it supports the underwater street mode snapshot. And yes, we can check. We support the 4K to adjust the EV, and also anti-shake. Yes, we can use this to record a short video, and I will also put the video at the end of the video, so you can choose the video performance, video quality. Besides the special transparent design for this device, also support IP69 and IP68K, and as a mid-range gaming device, for the VC it support big sensor, big web chamber for the cooling system, and reach to 7700 cubic millimeters, and also use the GT engine 2.0 to run a stable FPS. And if you use it for the kitchen impact, it can reach to 59 around FPS stable. And here we can take more sample pictures and videos about the smartphone. To be frank, for this device, the camera spec is not the flagship, but this time they provide some advantage features. Battery 7200 and 1 watt super work charge, and for the Realme it's called the dart charging. technology, so this is pretty nice. And also think this is will be the strong competitor of the for the Xiaomi Tempo series. Yes. Okay, so this is the appearance about the smartphone. To be frank, compared to the Xiaomi, I prefer this one. The design is nice. So here we have more sample pictures about the smartphone. You can check it and enjoy it. Okay, let's stay tender, waiting for more catch up from here. I will put the videos at the end of the video. I mean the sample videos at the end of the video. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.